Hello from Taj Murder Medics. I've got a BMW here 5 Series on a 2006-2007 plate. There's something I'm going to show you how to fix your headlight problem. Basically, if your beam image is out, so the only way you can see that on the right hand side, as you can see there, the beam image is quite good, but on the left hand side it isn't. Now to find out if your beam image is good or not, you can always park in front of a road or something, in front of a wall or something, to see if your lights are lined up. So as you can see, that one there is quite aligned, but on the other side it isn't. But if you look on the front here, now I'm going to sort of kind of walk in front of the lights. As you can see, that one there is pretty good, but when you come to this side, this is all over, so it's a lot brighter. Now I've already seen what the problem is. I'm just going to show you. So I'll switch the car off, switch the lights off. Now if you look on the inside here, you can see the bulb is sitting nicely in a bulb holder bit right there. But on the passenger side, as you can see, the bulb is not sitting at all. So if I zoom in a little bit, now I'm gonna just kind of fix this. What I'll do, I'll take this out, this back cover off. It is in a bit of a tight spot. So I'm just going to get my other hand. That's it. So take it out completely. And then I'm going to switch the lights on. Now you can see on the inside, the bulb is dropped out. So there's only one way the bulb would go in as well. So if I just pull this bulb out, because where is a tight spot, you really can't do much. But if I take it out completely, now the bulb is quite hot as well. Now you can see he has fitted the bulb correctly, but it's not pushed right in. So what I need to do is I need to push it in to make sure it's sitting in nicely. So I'm going to need a spare hand, which is better. Right, okay, so what I now do is I push it in, and that's it. So it's all kind of clipped in. As you can see now, it's nice and flush. So what I then do is slot it through. So once I slot it through the hole, you got to remember, you don't want to get the cables caught in, and then line it up. I'll show you in a minute where I've lined it up as well, because it's very hard to see. I'm just going to get a mirror. Mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest at the wall? And it has to go in the other direction, so I'll get it back up, and then that's it. Now as you can see on the inside, it's all nice and clipped in. So that little screw right there, so there's a locator for the bulb. So you've got to place it a bit in an angle and twist it to your right. Now if I show you the position from here, as you can see now, so it's fitted, it's sitting in perfectly on either side as well. So I can't see the inside bit, but there it is. Now if I look here now, switch the light off. Now you can see the bulb is nice and straight. So all we do then is switch the lights on. I'm not going to start the car up, it's only going to be quick. I hate these keyless entries. Right, okay, that one there is not working. Right here, now that you can see, it was just a bit of a loose connection, but I got it sorted. But as you can see, that one there now, it's pretty much lined up with this one. So basically you won't be blinding anyone out anymore. Now if I go in front of the car now, same thing again, go right across, you can see it's perfect. That's all you have to do. If you've got a bulb issue and you think it's not sitting in properly, all you have to do is make sure you get the bulb in right, and that's it, job done. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. Drop us a message or something. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you and goodbye.